2002 Toyota Tacoma TRD package, 4x4, double cab. Trucks are really getting fewer and further in between, no doubt about that. Especially ones in this kind of condition where you don't see a bunch of rust. It's only a 3-owner vehicle, I believe it was, in the Carfax. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper grill headlights. As you can see, those are clear, not getting fogged over. Underneath the hood, 3.4 liter V6, a very reliable, durable engine, and that dual overhead cam. Automatic transmission paired up with that. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, underside, check out the interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, right to our website where you'll see it. That phone number, 507-386-1726. As you can see, tires on this truck also great condition, a lot of tread left in them. I believe that's a later model rim too, Sequoia possibly. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this. Pretty free really of much for dings, scratches. Cloth bucket seats. Shifter on the floor, center console. Of course, the rack up top. Bed liner. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And the website for still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side, and then we'll check out the interior, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. A couple little spots over here I did notice. We got a little ding there, a little touch-up spot there, but again, considering miles and age, very nice condition. And look at this interior. It's one of those where floor mats over the floor mats, and I do have pictures underneath there also. So you can see carpeting is in great shape in this one, as well as seating area, headliner, all of that also fine condition. Of course, all your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This particular one has AM, FM cassette stereo in it. AC blows cold. There's your exact miles, 142,617. As you see the flashing light, that would be seatbelt. Other than that, no warning indicators, anything like that. Engine sounds very good, smooth. Nothing out of the ordinary there. Gauge is working. Cassette player also works. Stereo works. It's all good there. Take a look at the dash. No problem there. Not sun-baked, cracked, anything like that. You can tell this vehicle definitely stored indoors. Make sure that AC's off. It is cold. Definitely blows cold, no doubt about that. Headliner again, good shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nothing out of the ordinary there. What you'd expect a stock Tacoma to sound like. Slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood pops. Again, 3.4 liter. Dual overhead cam V6. Power lock, or excuse me, power brakes, power steering, AC. Well, K&N cold air intake. Bump the horsepower tad. And as you can hear, very smooth running. Once again, AC does blow cold, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Also, the other thing you do not notice under here is much corrosion. So again, extremely clean truck. And then take a look here where you'd have the stickers. There has not been any sort of body work up front in this vehicle. No sockets in any of these nuts and the fenders. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, so that all makes sense. 2002 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road package. SR5 double cab. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email.